How do I know if my propane regulator needs to be replaced instead of just cleaned?
Hello everyone. Today we are diving into the world of propane regulators. These small but essential devices are crucial for the safe operation of your propane-powered appliances. Knowing whether your propane regulator needs cleaning or a complete replacement can save you both time and money. So, let's get started.
Understanding the function of a propane regulator.
A propane regulator plays a critical role in the safe operation of your propane devices. It controls and maintains a regular output pressure, despite changes in the supply pressure. If the regulator is not functioning properly, this could lead to unsafe conditions.
Signs of a malfunctioning propane regulator.
There are several telltale signs that your propane regulator may be malfunctioning. Appliance performance issues. If your propane-fueled appliances are not working as they should, the regulator may be to blame. Reduced flame or a complete lack of it, irregular heating, or an appliance not working at all can all be signs. Visible damage or irregularities. If the regulator appears damaged or you notice a significant amount of dirt or grime buildup, it may need attention. Hissing or leaking sounds. If you hear a hissing sound from the regulator or smell gas near it, it could indicate a leak.
Cleaning or replacing your propane regulator?
Cleaning may resolve issues like dirt or grime buildup. However, if your regulator is showing signs of damage, it's leaking, or if cleaning does not resolve the appliance performance issues, it's likely time for a replacement. Never attempt to repair a damaged or leaking regulator yourself. Propane is highly flammable and can be dangerous if not handled correctly. Always call a professional if you suspect a serious issue.
Regular maintenance and safety.
Perform regular checks and maintenance on your regulator to ensure its longevity and safety. Regular cleaning and inspections can help you catch potential problems before they become serious. Remember, if you smell gas or suspect a leak, shut off the gas supply, leave the area, and immediately contact a professional. Knowing when to clean or replace your propane regulator can save you time, money, and potential safety issues. But remember, always err on the side of caution when dealing with propane. When in doubt, consult with a professional. It's better to be safe than sorry. I hope this video was helpful, and thank you for tuning in.